The week in the life of a musician. Good morning. It is like not even that early in the morning. It's like 6:50. But I stayed up last night to study for my Chinese speaking test. So I'm tired. Gosh, my camera is literally struggling to focus. Are you good, bruh? Are you good? I'm talking to my camera right now. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I hope that you're okay. And I have to go to school early today for band practice. I love band practice, but like, guys, it's only Monday. I don't know how I'm staying positive right now because I'm so tired. Like, I want you guys to know that if it's busy, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna upload this in the middle of exam season, for me at least. You know, like, you can get through it. Aftermath, cute, which I use when I want to fidget, and this is like, my handwriting when I actually try. Just do this to wake my eyes up a little bit.
I'm good, thank you.
I don't know how I'm staying positive right now.
There's a paper in this room all the time. Yep.
There's a black paper right there, but I thought it was like, I was like, I actually didn't want to use that, so
I can see it.
blended it. Okay. Well, do you want?
I'm at my desk right now.
Because we're gonna be doing some music work.
Music.
The performance for our band, we're actually getting marked on. Including with that, we have to do like 2 advertisements. For my piano exam, we are required to do some theory. I'm just gonna show you guys the terms and signs. And I'm just going to make a quiz out of it. Guys, I just realized that it was due like last week. Yeah. This is my demented biscuit eraser. Hey guys, so I just wanted to update you all on our band performance today. It went successful. I very much enjoyed it, and if
My band is watching this.
which I don't think they are, but if they are, oh my gosh, you guys are amazing, and I'm very proud of every single one of you guys. There were a couple last minute mishaps, but it ended up working out, and the crowd was amazing. I'm very happy. I'm going to be doing a bunch of piano practice. One of my exams is the piano exam. I need to tie my hair back. I have 3 pieces that I'm working on. This one needs pedal as well. So if you guys don't know what a pedal is, it's just basically that foot up. Insert an image. Then you guys see at the bottom of a piano. Not bad. Whole transposition. So I've been doing piano practice for an hour and a half, 60-75. Sometimes there's nothing you can do. Yeah, sometimes there's nothing you can do about it, and that's okay. I just have to go with the flow and yeah.